Hey guys, it's Matt Mick here again with Homegrown Lincoln, and today we are at yet another restaurant featured in the 2020 Wingfest. Today I'm here with George with Granny Weave's Soul Food. George, how you doing today, man?
Doing good. How y'all doing today?
Doing well, man. So, George, we're here, of course, because you have an entry for Wingfest 2020, which, of course, is hosted by United Way of Lincoln and Lancaster County. Man, tell me who you guys are and like what you guys are about.
We are Granny Weave Soul Food and Catering. We're originated from Greenwood, Mississippi. I named it after my grandma who's from there, but I'm a Lincolnite. So I just took her name, which we called her Granny, and my last name is Weaver. So I just put two and two together to remember her with my last name.
Awesome. And you guys work out of a food truck primarily?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, George, what wing are you guys going to be presenting at Wingfest here?
We're presenting it's called the peanut butter and jelly wing.
So as a voter, George, why should I select your wing?
As somebody who comes in like to eat wings, you get your traditional wings, you get your honey barbecue, your hot sauce, your Asian zing, Parmesan garlic. Those are traditional. Ours is different, unique. It has a flavor that you're never gonna forget. You know, you can get your hot sauce, your barbecue sauce, and other wing flavors, but you've never heard of a peanut butter and jelly wing. You've heard of orange chicken from Chinese places, but not a peanut butter and jelly.
No.
For a wing sauce type of primarily. With this one is more unique, and it gives people that like peanut butter and jelly. I mean, at least I did.
Yeah.
So
sure.
it's amazing.
Well, guys, that being said, again, Wingfest 2020 brought to you by United Way of Lincoln and Lancaster County. All proceeds from that are going to toward the community workspaces of Lincoln. So please check it out, guys. We look forward to seeing you there and at the next. Take care.